Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, distinguished chair, respected reviewer, and fellow researcher. My name's Anang Trioso, and I am presenting this study on behalf of my co-author, Mrs. Indah Priyartini, Mr. Anastain, Mrs. Endang Gunesa, and Mr. Ari Wibowo. We represent institution from the Universitas Muhammadiyah Malang, Universitas Pendidikan Muhammadiyah Sorong, and Politeknik Kelautan dan Perikanan Sorong. The title of our paper is Dynamic System Scenarios for Local Wisdom-Based Taro Agribusiness Toward the Sustainable Development Goal, SDGs. This research focus on how local food system, when strengthened by local wisdom and dynamic system modeling, can contribute to sustainable development, particularly in Eastern Indonesia. Background to the problem, globally, food system today face serious challenges. There are often environmentally unstable, economically unwell, and highly dependent on global supply chains, making them vulnerable to climate change, resource scarcity, and market shock. This condition pose a real threat to achieving SDG 2, zero hunger, especially in developing and remote regions. In the context, local food systems are increasingly recognized as a strategic solution. Local food not only improves availability and accessibility, but also strengthen community resilience, support local economic, and reduce environmental pressure. An important local food crop is taro. Why taro? Taro is nutrient-rich, climate resilient, and deeply embedded in culture tradition, particularly in Indonesia and Papua. It is consumed as a staple food and also holds social, culture, and economic value. However, despite this strong potential, taro remains underdeveloped within modern agribusiness system. Farmers face multiple constraints, including low productivity, weak market access, and limited capital, inadequate infrastructure and technology, climate rise, and declining traditional practice. Another crucial issue is that local wisdom with a guide sustainability farming practice and ecological balance has not been fully integrated into formal agribusiness policy and development model. This led to an important research gap. There is still no dynamic scenario-based model that integrate local wisdom to guide sustainable taro agribusiness development in support of SDGs. Methods to address this gap. The study was conducted in Papua, a region where taro play a vital role in food consumption and culture life. We use a mixed data approach, primary data where collect, talk, in-depth interview, and focus group discussion with farmer group, and agriculture extension officer, and traditional leader. Secondary data came from government report, official statistic, policy document, and academic literature. The analytical framework is based on system dynamic modeling. This approach allows you to understand complex interaction and feedback loop with the Taro agribusiness system. The model integrates key component of the value chains, production, distribution, consumption, policy support, local wisdom value. We develop scenario-based simulation use Power Sim Studio, moving through tracks of problem identification, conceptual model, quantitative model, validation, and policy simulation. Okay, next result. The simulation result compare three scenario, existing, moderate, and optimist. And we make black box diagram input-output of the Taro agribusiness development model based on local wisdom. The factor that have the greatest influence of model behavior as well as the main needs of stakeholder in the Taro agribusiness development system based on local wisdom include number one, the area of planting area, 2 seeds, 3 capital assistant for distribution, and 5 local wisdom, controlled input. The existing scenario reflect current condition in West Papua. It show that will the system operates with basic efficiency, grow in productivity, farmer income, and consumption remain limited. The moderate and optimist scenario assume improvement in seed quality and availability, capacital assistant, and for expansion, distribution efficiency, integrate of local wisdom practice. Under this scenario, the result clear so high taro productivity, increase total production over time, grow in per capacity taro consumption, indicating strong food security. Importantly, scenario that actively integrate local wisdom consistently outperform those that do not. This demonstration that culture knowledge is not a constraint, but rather a strategic asset for sustainability agribusiness development. SDG 2, zero hunger. SDG 8, decent work, and SDG 12, responsible production. In conclusion, the study demonstrate that dynamic system modeling combined with scenario analysis provides a comprehensive understanding of how production, distribution, consumption, and policy interact in Taro agribusiness system. The finding confirm that moderate scenario grounded in local wisdom produce the most optimal outcomes, improving productivity, enhancing farmer welfare, and supporting environmental sustainability. Furthermore, a local wisdom-based Taro agribusiness contribute directly to SDG 2 by strengthening local food ability and diversification. SDG 8 SDG 12. Okay, message is that integrating culture wisdom with scientific scenario-based modeling is essential for building sustainable, inclusive, and resilient food system particularly is region facing structural and ecological vulnerabilities. Thank you.